10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. History Unit 8 Era of Gandhi and National Movement. When and where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porabandar of Gujarat's Kathiawar district. Who was the father of Mahatma Gandhi? Karamchand Gandhi. What was the profession of Karamchand Gandhi? He was the Diwan of Rajkot state. Who was the mother of Mahatma Gandhi? Putali Bai. What was the degree that Mahatma Gandhi received in England? Bharat Law. Why did Gandhi go to Natal of South Africa? To represent Dada Abdullah and Company. Who take pride in declaring that you sent us unformed Gandhi and we sent back the complete of Gandhi? South Africans. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gokhale. Why did Mahatma Gandhi tour entire India in a third-class railway compartment? To understand real India of his time. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start Sabarmati Ashrama? Ahmedabad. Why did Mahatma Gandhi launch Champaran movement? In support of indigo growers. Name the main strategies used by Mahatma Gandhi in his struggles. Passive resistance, non-violence and satyagraha. Name the periodicals started by Mahatma Gandhi. Young India and Harijan. What are the meaningful achievements of Gandhiji's struggle? Satyagraha, Ahimsa, unity of Hindus and Muslims. What is the basic trait of Mahatma Gandhi's struggle. Ahimsa is the basic trait of Gandhi's struggle. What is a strong message in the annals of the history? The defeat of the mighty English in the hands of Gandhi itself is a strong message in the annals of the history. What is the meaning of the word Satyagraha? The word Satyagraha means the assertion of the truth. What was the major weapon employed by Gandhiji in South Africa? Satyagraha. What is considered as the major social exploration ever taken place in the human history? The use of this Satyagraha. Who said that Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of Mother India? Mahatma Gandhi. When did the British implement Rowlatt Act? 1919. Under which act the British could arrest a man and declare him as an offender in a court of law? Rowlatt Act. Why did Mahatma Gandhi start Satyagraha Sabha? To oppose Rowlatt Act. Why did the people assemble in Jallianwala Bagh on the day of Baisakhi festival? Dr. Fakhruddin and Dr. Satyapal and various other leaders were arrested in Punjab. Who was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The military general of Amritsar, General Dyer. Why did Rabindranath Tagore return his knighthood award back? By opposing Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Who killed Michael O'Dwyer in England? Udham Singh. Who were called as Caliph? The Sultans of Turkey. Who started the Khilafat movement? Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Why did Gandhi extend his support to the Khilafat movement? Gandhi had believed that the British would only withdraw if the Hindu and Muslims fight united. In which movement, wherein both Hindus and Muslims participated in a nationwide protests. Khilafat movement. Where did the Congress pass a resolution to hold non-cooperation movement? In Calcutta on September 4th, 1920. Why did Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Due to Chauri Chaura incident. Who founded Swaraj Party? Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Who was the chairman of Congress National Convention held in Delhi? Abdul Kalam Azad. When did the British government appoint Simon Commission? 1927. Why did the British government appoint Simon Commission? To study the effects of Government of India Act 1990 or Montagu-Chelmsford Act. Who died when the protesters were lathi-charged in Lahore during the protest against Simon Commission? Lala Lajpat Rai. Who was the chairman of Lahore Congress Convention? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Congress convention adopted a resolution demanding total independence, Purna Swaraj? Lahore Congress Convention. The Constitution of India was adopted on January 26, 1950. Why? Lahore Congress Convention declared January 26, 1930 as the Indian Independence Date in order to mark the historical importance of this session. The Constitution of India was adopted on January 26, 1950. Why did Gandhiji start Salt Satyagraha? Gandhi wrote a letter to the Viceroy putting forward 11 points. The Viceroy rejected the demands. That's why Gandhiji started Salt Satyagraha. When did Gandhiji start Salt Satyagraha? March 12, 1930. Name the leaders who participated in Dandi March. Mahatma Gandhiji, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Kamala Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajagopalachari, Babu Rajendra Prasad. Where was the Round Table Conference held? London. When was the first Round Table Conference held? 1930. In which Round Table Conference representation was given to untouchable community for the first time? The first Round Table Conference. Name the leaders who participated in the first Roundtable Conference. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, M.R. Jayakar, Tej Bahadur Sappu, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Srinivas Shastri. The first Roundtable Conference remained incomplete. Why? Since the Indian National Congress did not participate in the first Roundtable Conference, it remained incomplete. Which Roundtable Conference was attended by Gandhiji? The second Roundtable Conference. What was the reason for the ideological differences between Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? In the second Roundtable Conference, Ambedkar pressed for a separate electoral constituency for untouchables. This was opposed by Gandhi. The second Roundtable Conference ended without any conclusion. Why? Due to the ideological differences between Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Why did Mahatma Gandhiji start fasting unto death in 1932? The British government announced its decision to provide separate electoral constituencies for the untouchables and implemented communal award. Due to this, Mahatma Gandhiji started fasting unto death in 1932. Who signed Pune Pact? Pune Pact was signed between Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When was the third Roundtable Conference held? 1932. When was Quit India movement started? 1942. What did the Quit India movement declare? The Quit India movement declared, British, you quit India. Who gave call to the fellow Indians, do or die? Gandhi gave call to the fellow Indians to do or die. Name the leaders who participated in the Quit India movement. Gandhiji, Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Acharya Kripalani and Kasturba. Non-Congress organizations took the lead in Quit Indian movement. Why? Since most of the Congress leaders were jailed, non-Congress organizations took the lead in this movement. Who formed a group called the Freedom Struggle Front? The Socialist. Who became the new leader of Quit India movement? Jayaprakash Narayan. Who called for Vimukti Divas? The Muslim League. Where did the workers' struggle start in 1827? Calcutta. Give example for the tribal revolts. Santala, Kola, Munda and Halagali Bedas. Which tribal revolt is considered as an important revolt in India? The revolt of Santala tribe. Who is popularly known as Netaji? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who founded the Congress Socialist Party? Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru. Who became the president of Haripur Convention of Indian National Congress? Subhash Chandra Bose. A difference of opinion broke between Subhash Chandra Bose and Gandhiji. Why? Gandhiji's soft approach towards the British war policy clashed with Bose's hardline approach for the same. Who founded Forward Bloc? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who broadcasted speeches over Azad Hind Radio to Indians? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who founded India Independence League in Tokyo of Japan? Rash Bihari Bose. What was the military wing of India Independence League? Indian National Army. Who called for Delhi Chalo? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who said, "Give me your blood, I will get you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who became the commander of Jhansi Regiment, a women's wing of Indian National Army? Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Who had strongly believed that the political freedom without social freedom is meaningless? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who organized Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Why did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar organize Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements? To prove that the untouchables have been denied even basic human rights. Who participated in all the 3 roundtable conferences? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who served as Diwan to Baroda Maharaja? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who founded Bahishruta Hitakarini Sabha and Swatantra Karmika Party? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Name the periodicals published by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Prabuddha Bharata, Janata, Mookanayaka and Bahishkruta Bharata. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who became the first law minister of independent India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Why did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar become a Buddhist? Fed up with the caste system, he left Hinduism and became a Buddhist, which opposed caste system but had remained part of the culture of India. Who was awarded the highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna, posthumously? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the president of 49th session of Indian National Congress? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who declared that Congress supports complete democracy and it fights for democracy only and not for socialism? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who can be seen as the architect of industrialization and modern India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who had firmly believed that only complete industrialization can bring development? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who sought to develop India through 5-year plans? Jawaharlal Nehru. Under whose leadership did Jawaharlal Nehru lay foundation for atomic energy? H.J. Baba. Who worked as the private secretary to Dadabhai Naoroji? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Why did the popularity of Muhammad Ali Jinnah grow more? His popularity grew more after he argued in favor of Tilak in the litigations against him. Who called for Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946? The Muslim League. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. Which commission marked the boundaries between India and Pakistan? Radcliffe Commission. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who shot dead Mahatma Gandhiji? Nathuram Godse. When did Nathuram Godse kill Mahatma Gandhiji? On January 30th, 1948.